Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to change background from black to white. So if you want to change the background color, you can go to the sign and click on page color. Here you can set into black to change to black, and if you want to change to white, you can change again page color into white. Another option, if you use the focus tools in the view, it will be change the backgrounds into black this. And if you want to back again into normal, you can press escape button to close from these focus tools. So this is focus tools, and press escape buttons on keyboard to close from these focus tools. And for the signs, you can change the page color like into black, or you can change again into white. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial, how to change background from black to white. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.